So I am today will be speaking something what I feel because it's my vlog. So whatever I have experienced in my life, I want to speak something for today. A few days before, you all know that I was very much busy with treating a stray dog on the road, and she has a swollen abdomen. She actually died. Mm, it's been 2 or 3 days. Again, it's been proved that in Kolkata we lacks really good veterinarians. I tried my best, but I cannot help if I could not been guided by any good vet. So vet's diagnosis is very important for the treatment. And another thing is very important is financial help. One lady from Pune, she is Bengali lady, she has been very kind and she helped me a lot. Actually, I have spent almost 9 to 10,000 rupees, and she paid 5,500 in my locality. She used to feed the dog there, just in my area. She had given me 1500, no, 700, and then 500, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1200 rupees. And one time paravet cost she paid, means 1350 50 rupees, like she paid for this dog. So 5,000, 6,000, 500, 6, 7, 8, means 6 to 7,000 rupees I received, and rest is mine, means almost 3,700 something rupees I have spent for the dog. And you all know that how much labor I have given. I consulted two vets, all the medicines I have bought. Even when the dog died, on that day even also I went to the market and bought almost 1,500 rupees medicine that is still remain with me untouched. So whatever doctor prescribed I tried, but I could not save her. Even Ori also died. And these misfortunes really upset me, because I worked hard but I could not save them. So that's the sad part. And another part which people could have helped me, the thing I am just sharing, that one lady, she also used to take care of these dogs. I even known from the other local people that she has sterilized this dog, even. And when I started treating the dog, some people also said that that lady is also treating the dog. So I uh, went to her home, I talked with her, and she said no, she cannot touch the dog. So she actually not doing anything. If I can do anything for the dog, and that will be the better, and she will help me financially. But when I started that treatment, after I received payment, means donation from the Facebook lady, means her name is Upama Dashgupta. She lives in Pune, and on the Facebook she contacted me and she paid me this amount, and I started that treatment. And then I also seek help for this local lady who sterilized the dog. But she, I'm just sharing the situation, that I am on the road and the saline was going on, but she didn't responded and she just went away. And every day evening I used to see her on the road while I give saline to the dog, but she just looked up and went away, as if she don't know me even. So this kind of behavior actually shocked me. And it also feels me that is that what our society is lacking, means the morality, the responsibility, whatever, I don't know. Means the same thing when I find really shocking when I find that some people used to treat cows, remain on the uh, open field, and no water, no food. Even I think maybe the food should they might have given sometimes when I also was not there. I was just passerby. So that could be happen, but at least in this scorching heat summer, they remained on the field, open, without any roof over their head, and without water. So this kind of inhumanity, I don't know where from people actually could do this. I don't know, uh, because I think if I am really educated, not with degree, I am just saying I am really educated, because I also even can share another incident in a Facebook post. There was a my friend, my childhood friend. She was sharing a picture of a duck and with her 2 or 3 ducklings swimming on a pond, and she shared the picture. She somehow she took the picture and she shared it on her Facebook page, and the comment below I find of a person whom I don't know. She might know because it's her friend. He said that it will be a very good dinner if we cut them off and we eat them. And while watching this beautiful photo, he I don't know where from he got this in his mind. And when I was curious about his upbringings, then I opened her profile, I viewed her profile, and I find that he is working in Google. He lives in somewhere in US, and he's a Bengali person from Kolkata. So I'm not just talking about the degree what we just achieved from how our schools and everything. Actually, how we could, means morality which lacks in us, the responsibility towards nature, towards our society, towards our nation. So these things I really feel very, very, very upset about human beings. And while working for the animals, I find them really pure, I find them honest, I find them my best, what can I say, soulmate even. uh, they are really innocent, pure. They are not like so complex about uh, human beings. That's all for today. Take care. Bye. Good night. Shubharatri.